We're back. All right, I feel much better now. Sam Demand number 2. I am right here, man. Emma D, second in the chat. Mo G says Sam's first in the chat. Heck yeah, Mo G. Thank you guys for coming back. Really appreciate that. And yes, feel a lot better now. So we're going to be going for another half hour or so. Meanwhile, we're looking at AMC curling back to the upside. I do like that action there, but still down 9% of the day. Shiba Inu coin doing the same thing. Little curl, little green curl there. Back up to the upside. 11.97 at the moment. GameStop sitting down 8% right now, $35.28. QQQ posting a couple green lines on here, but nonetheless still sitting at 302.58 right now. Down heavy on the day, losing 1.5% right now. And NASDAQ losing accordingly. Bureau Therapeutics still down. AMC down 9%. Ethereum is slightly up. Shiba slightly down. Bitcoin slightly up. Sundial still down 9% right now. 30 cents, almost 31 cents per share. Mullen Auto barcoding at $1.01. CEI down 4.5%. The SPY down 0.70%. BBIG sitting at $1, man. Highcroft Mining sitting at $1, man. Netflix sitting at $2.21 right now, down 1% on the day. We got Redbox down 10% at $3.11, was touching $2.75 and bouncing back decent there. Clovis $1.79 right now, bouncing off $1.72. Been getting hit hard over the last couple of weeks after having that very nice rally there. Boxed sitting at $1.97, down 14% on the day. Wow, hitting $1.93, bouncing back up to $1.97 there. Revlon sitting at $5.16, down 8%. Luna Classic dropping below the 10,000 point per coin range. And we're going to watch the QQQ play out as indicator of what the NASDAQ is doing. So we're going to keep our eyes on the prize, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Gregory. Yo, brother, what's going on, Gregory? Nope. First, as long as I ignore there yes, that is true, Emma D. That is true. If you ignore the person in first, then you're number 1 in the chat today. Snapchat was taking a beating this morning. Yes, it was. Snapchat down like 40%, man. Snapchat 38.72 down to 991, hitting some very, very, very fresh new lows. You got to go back, I believe, to 2020 during the lockdowns there. Yes, that had a hard hit. Everything got hit during this time frame. But think about this, guys. We're back to pandemic levels. Not even pre-pandemic levels. We're back to pandemic, like worst lockdowns. Everybody's imprisoned in their own house levels in the stock market right now. That is wild to see this happening. You got to go all the way back here to 2018 when this new company, which wasn't even making money, was dropping down to $4.82. Coming off that nice IPO and did nothing but drop, and then had some nice gains, right? Had some nice gains when everybody was getting their stimulus checks. Everybody was pouring into the stock market, and we saw Snap hit $83. It's gone from $83 to $9.91 today. My gosh, what a decline. So yes, Snapchat getting hit very hard today, along with the broader market. The broader market with QQQ down 1.5% today. It's a tough day. Going to the lake soon. You coming? Nick F, man. Honestly, dude, the last thing I want to be able to do today is get stranded in the middle of a lake without access to a bathroom. So I will probably not be coming, unless of course maybe I find some snakes or something in my yard and I need to bring them down there. I can throw them on your kayak or paddle boards, whatever you're using, man. I think you won't mind, right? If I let a little snake go right next to you guys. What am I missing? Only 10 people in here. JB, we came back, man. We came back. I had to have a restroom break, so we came back from that, man. The gummy bear is still wreaking havoc, so I took a little break there. Now we're back. So they're jumping back in. Belly flops at the lake for Clay. Outdoor smile. We're gonna have to do something, man. Maybe I can go to the lake and jump into the water and challenge the ape father to a lakeside belly flop contest. Play an emergency situation, JB. Yes, this is true. Intestines on fire. The intestines aren't necessarily on fire. There's a lot of gurgling going on in there, but yeah, dude, some other body parts are on fire, and it's not in my mouth. Bro, I was stuck in a loop. Dark matter. Are you out now? Are you out of the loop? Just went all in on 402 SPY calls for next week. Let's go. Oh, my God. This dude hitting 402 SPY calls next week. This dude is making me nervous. Well, okay. Let's look at these 402 SPY calls. I don't know what the 402s cost. Well, what's the premium on those 402 SPY calls? Look, man. I think you can get it. Your 402 is right here. And even if it just starts to go up, you're going to be profitable. You don't have to go into the money to make a profit on those calls. So here's the thing that would make me nervous about what you just did. And I don't know what expiration you've got. So I don't know if you're expiring on Monday. I don't know if you're expiring on Wednesday or if you're expiring on Friday. Okay? Let me know that as well. But Jerome Powell coming out Wednesday with his interest rate announcement, and then the Federal Reserve press conference happening at 2:30 on Wednesday. That could either lead to some very large gains or a very large pullback. So you're going in with those calls in a very heavy week with Jerome Powell slated to either move the market up or down. So it is a risk, but dude, I think you can hit 402, and I think you can make some decent gains on the SPY there. But it really, in my opinion, it's going to depend on what Jerome Powell does. I would expect a slight pullback. As investors kind of curb their positions ahead of the interest rate decision. But with this strong week that we've had, who knows? These gains could absolutely continue on there. But I want to know what the premium was. I want to know what expiration date. Let's see. Perform okay. Shredder. All good, man. All good. Sailing today. Nice. Nick F. Well, I don't know if there's a toilet on this elbow, man. I don't know what I'm going to say. It might not be a good situation for me. AMC Ripperoni. Richard. Yes, AMC. I would like to see it rip. But AMC spending the day is kind of subdued, down 9% at the moment, $15.47. Heavy red lines over the last 2 days here, and potentially going to retest 1450 if it, well, let's keep 1450 on the chart because we still got resistance in here, or support in here. So if it breaks through this level in here where we have some support, we could be retesting 1450 here pretty soon. So it's something we got to watch on AMC. But nonetheless, AMC and GameStop getting hit very hard today following the splividend, or whatever people are calling it, on GameStop, that 4-for-1 dividend. Let's see where we at. Got to pick back up. Mr. Simon, give it the gift that just keeps on giving. You're back, Claydinho. I am back. I am here, Simon. I am still alive. Feeling better, Clay. So much better, Pika. So much better. I don't think it's gonna last. I don't think the good feelings are gonna last all day. I think it's gonna be an ongoing process, maybe for 24 hours after ingesting that nonsense. But yeah, man. Nonetheless, I feel better right now. So excited to retest $13. JB, don't we love retesting those support levels, man? Don't we love retest? And yeah, we could retest $13 per share on AMC down here in the $13 range if good old Jerome Powell comes out and ruins sentiment. I mean, if Jerome Powell comes out and says something stupid on Wednesday, we could be back down here to the $11, $10 range, man. I don't like putting my faith in Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell has said way too many times that he doesn't care about the stock market for me to feel comfortable with him saying anything about the stock market. That dude keeps me on edge, for sure. And the overall market, guys, QQQ, turning back over right now, sitting at 302.21 at the moment. 301.57, the low of the day. So we could get a decent candle to the downside here and hit a new low pretty quickly. Okay, thank you. Absolutely, 100 basis point for sure. Oh, dude, if he comes in, if they come in and raise interest rates at 100 basis points when the market is expecting a 75 basis point increase, expected death spiral at that point. And same for crypto, man. Same for crypto. I would imagine Bitcoin would be back down to 19,000 pretty quick if they come in at a 1% increase. What about me? Chris! What's going on, Chris? I already said hi to you twice. Nice, Pika. Nice. Hello, Outdoor Smile. Sam and Outdoor Smile just became best friends. Yup, they absolutely did. Oh, man. Tough day in the market, but I'm glad. Some people, and I don't even know if they're tricking you or not, but some people are like, man, I can't believe it's the weekend. I can't wait till Monday. Love the stock market being open. I need it. Dude, the weekends are peaceful. The weekends are peaceful. I'm going to tell you, the weekends are peaceful. And you don't have to sit here and worry about red lines and green lines all day. Oh, man, the weekends to me are peaceful. Crypto is still going, yes. But at least it's not like a constant struggle for what lines are we going to see next? What is going to happen here? But next week's going to be telling, guys. Next week with the interest rate decision. Do you guys actually think, let's see. Let's do a poll. We haven't done a poll in a while. Let's do a poll. No. All right. What do you guys think? Do you think they're going to raise interest rates by 1% or 0.75%? Because the market is apparently expecting 0.75% interest rate increase. A lot of people, however, are expecting a 1% increase. So I'm kind of on the fence. I think that we're most likely going to see that 75 basis points. But I think that Jerome Powell is going to start talking crap about a recession. So I'm not convinced we're going to see the 100 basis points or the 1%. I don't think it's an impossibility. I'm leaning towards the 75 with a negative press conference about the potential of a recession and what it could do to the labor market. You know, Jerome Powell's living in some fantasy world where he thinks that just because people aren't looking for jobs means that the labor market is doing well. I'm not of that view. So I think that he's going to start talking about a recession and, you know, a continuation of increasing inflation. But I still think we're going to get to 75. I want to know what you guys think. Been a while since we've had a poll. It has been a while. And now I remember why I don't like doing them because I can't see the chat. Takes up half the screen over here in Streamlabs. Hey, you know what you could be doing while you spend a lot of time in the bathroom? Setting up a Discord. JB, this is absolutely true. Is it easier to set it up from a phone or is it easier to set it up from a computer? Because this is true, man. If I have to spend a lot of time in the bathroom today, I could be setting up a Discord for sure. Markets aren't acting the way Jerome Powell wants. He will death spiral the economy until jobs figures react appropriately. Gosh, man. Jerome Powell better not just destroy. Come on, Jerry Powell. Come on. Hey, y'all, what's going on? Owl, that's the point. I'm sitting on millions of Lincoln Shiba. Don't know what to do. Sell, buy, sell, buy. I think I will still hold and buy if it gets down. Yeah, STSY, man. That's a decision that I can't make for you, right? I actually did shave my crypto positions and went into USDC. My problem is my USDC is locked up on Voyager, and I may or may not ever see that again. So it's whatever you're more comfortable with, man. It's whatever you're more comfortable with. I told you last week 100. Sharetta, well, let's see if it happens, man. 75%, 75. Yeah, market's expecting 50 up until the day before. Then everything flipped, expecting the 75. Yeah, JB, I think it's... Honestly, I don't know. I think that the market is performing too well right now. I really do. I don't think that these gains are justified. I can see the same thing happening for 75 to 1. JB, I agree with you on that one, man. We could see a pretty steep pullback next week as people kind of get scared and begin to think, whoa, he could go 100, he could go 100, he could go 100 basis points. Oh my gosh, he could go 100 basis points. We need to sell off now. We expect 100 basis points. So I do think that's a possibility, man. People panicking into either into Wednesday, so Tuesday trading into Wednesday, or Wednesday afternoon going into the interest rate announcement. They could begin to like get scared and pull back there. So 25 votes, guys. Don't be afraid to vote. I'm going to take the poll off the screen here pretty soon. It does seem to be about 50-50. So if you guys want to get a vote in, get it in now and make this more than a little bit better than a 50-50 discussion right here. We got 1% at 75.75%. I mean, it doesn't matter either way, but nonetheless. I'll give you guys about another minute and then I'll take it off. AMC bouncing back nicely right now. AMC posting a couple green lines here, sitting at 15.58 at the moment, down 8% on the day. We got GameStop still sitting stagnant, down 8% right now. So AMC and GameStop both performing very similarly there. Shiba Inu coin, just trading sideways right now, 11.95. QQQ sitting there at 302.50, been trading sideways for the last hour or so. Same deal with the NASDAQ, almost going to look identical. Yeah, Biotherapeutics down 2%. Ethereum is slightly up, while Shiba and Bitcoin are slightly down. Sundial still having a very hard day today, sitting at 30 cents per share. $1 on Mullen. CEI, 40 cents. The SPY, 3.95. BBIG, $1. Hycroft, $1. Netflix, 2.21. A lot of red in the market today, guys. Redbox sitting at down 10% exactly, 31.19. Clovis, $1.80, getting hit hard today. Boxed, $2 per share, losing 12%. Revlon, 7% lower. Terra Luna Classic, trading even at 10,000 points per coin. And QQQ down 1.60%, 302.46 at the moment. Let's watch it play out and see what happens there. 30 votes. Let's take it off the screen, see what you guys ended up. Oh, my God. Well, you couldn't have been any more evenly split on that one. 50-50. We got 15 votes for 1%, 15 votes for 0.75%. Very nice on that one, guys. Good news. AMC throwing some green lines on the chart here. I'll take it. AMC trying to bounce back a little bit, breaking up through this resistance level and starting to move higher here. So I like the action we're seeing on AMC going into the afternoon here. That does look good. I definitely think people knowing that there's the possibility of 75 to 1%, 100. That was loud. 75 to 100 basis point increase is enough to make the market go down just because of the fear. I completely agree with you, man, and I don't know why it's going up. It's going to go back down next week. Yes, it's going down. So Candy says we're going back down next week for sure, going into the interest rate decision. When is Shiba a good buy? So Candy, it all depends. Shiba could be a great buy right now if you've got the idea that you want to hold it long term. Because I truly do think we're going to see prices much higher than we're at right now. If you're talking about when it's a perfect buy or when it's kind of on its way back up and not going to hit any new lower lows, that's way too hard to predict. And I do honestly think that we could see even lower prices from where we are right now. I don't like the market right now. I really don't like the market. I don't like everything that's going on. So I still think that my sentiment is negative. But nonetheless, if you buy it right now at 1,100 points per coin, and it goes up to it and hits a new all-time high one day, even if it's a year or two down the road, you still did very well. You 10 extra money. I still think you did great at that point in time. So, could it be better? Yes. Is it good? I mean, it depends on how you look at it. I think it could be great. I think it could be good right now. It's just I think it could get better if the market continues to act in the same way. Remember when the GameStop stock split was supposed to be the catalyst to the squeeze? I don't want to hear any more catalyst. JB, I do remember that, man. It was just like yesterday that it was supposed to be the catalyst. I remember this, and I agree with you. I do agree with you. Here's the thing. I don't want to see Adam Aron kind of ask for the same thing for AMC. That's what I don't want to see happen, man. So what's still at bottom? Candy, yeah, that's the thing, though. I really don't know where the bottom is going to be. We got a lot going on right now with the cryptocurrency market. Just imagine with me, guys. Let's do... I voted 1%. Nice, Frodo. Let's do one more poll. I am interested to see what you guys think about this one. I want to see what you guys think about this one. This is an interesting one. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Pika says... Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. Love these super stickers, guys, man. Lemon head and little lime head right there, looking up at him like he's a superhero. Heck yeah, Pika. That's what I'm talking about right there. I love it. Thank you very much, Pika. What is bottom? Thank you. Sam the Man number 2. I would love to know where the bottom is as well. Somebody please tell me where the bottom is. Gotta run later, fam. JB, vote real quick, man. Don't forget to click the like button if you haven't done so already, JB. Thank you for being in here, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon, man. Bottom will be the opposite of the top of this in this cycle. Bottom will be the opposite of the top in this cycle. M&D. That is very good. That is very knowledgeable right there. See you later, JB. Heck yeah. We're going to go over here and read this stuff right here. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Outdoor Smile says, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that one as well. You guys are awesome, man. And I got to go over to the YouTube chat. Otherwise, I can't see any of these chats as they come in. You guys are going to be like, why is he so late? Well, dude, like, talk a little bit quicker. Look at this. We get 30% people voting for these things. Man, you guys are ridiculous. You guys are just what? 25, 25, 25, 25? On a four question poll here. You guys got to have some sort of a consensus on this. I don't like it either. Yeah, candy. Something. What are we talking about? The market. Yeah. GameStop will go back up. I mean, I think it will too. I don't know what's going on and why it's dropping today. Insider trading information. I have spoken. Moji, you have spoken? You got some insider trading information, man? Let's hear it. Yeah, let's hear it. ACB, CGC, Ring, Central Stock, Visa. Eric. What? What is happening? All right, guys, we have 2 minutes left in the live stream right now. Get the votes in because you are literally sitting right here at 30%. Like, just do some more voting really quick. 26 votes in here. Let's get at least 30 votes in, and then we'll figure out where Bitcoin's going. Because I actually want to see what you guys thought. I want to know where that is. Right now, nonetheless, we'll do a slight recap, guys, and then we'll read this poll here. AMC doing well, over the last half hour or so, trying to bounce back up, but still down 8.5% on the day, $15.59. Shiba Inu coin sitting sideways. GameStop sitting sideways, down 8.5% on the day. QQQ turning back over, going down to 302.04 at the moment. Very difficult day for the market here. Massive losses. So very difficult day for the market. Tough to swallow a loss like that, especially knowing you stopped out of your puts in this area right here. And you'd be sitting on a 300+% gain. So that would have been sick. NASDAQ down heavy today, along with the QQQ. Biotherapeutics still sitting down 2.5%. Shiba and Bitcoin are down, while Ethereum is slightly up. Sundial, 31 cents per share. Maldonado, $1. CEI, we got 40 cents. We got SPY, $3.95, down 0.87%. BBIG, $1. Highcroft, $1. So we got Mullen, BBIG, and Highcroft all at $1. Netflix sitting at $220.56. Redbox down at $310, $312. Clovis sitting at $1.79. Boxed $202. Revlon $519. Luna Classic 10,000 points per coin, and the QQQ's down there at $302 right now. So nonetheless, very hard day. Everything in the red right now except for Ethereum, and it could turn back over and go into the red as well. So very difficult day for the market. Let's see what these 30 votes resulted in, because I want to know. End poll. Let's see what we got here for the poll results on these prices. So 34% of you think that Bitcoin would go to 10,000 to 15,000. 28% think 5,000 or lower. 18% think 15 to 20,000, and then 18% say 5 to 10%, or $5 to $10,000. So pretty evenly split, but $5,000% or $5,000 per lower would be a very drastic decline. But you got to remember, Coinbase has 89 million users. It's a very large exchange. It's going to have a very catastrophic effect if it does go bankrupt. It's Coinbase. So they're not threatening to go bankrupt, Candy. They're not threatening to go bankrupt, but they have mentioned some stuff in the previous report, the earnings report, that if they do, they're likely to consider all of their customers lenders as opposed to, depositors. And their financials are not looking good. They had negative net earnings in the previous report, and things have gotten worse since then. So it's going to be interesting to see what they do with their earnings in the second quarter here. But a lot of these other little exchanges are filing bankruptcy, and a lot of people think that Coinbase is invincible. I'm not so sure. Coinbase better not go bankrupt. That was Paul. That would be ridiculous, man. If it did, that would be like worst case scenario, right? We get that. I'm thinking 10 to 12 natural bottom, and they're a black swan like Coinbase going defunct would be horrific. 100% agree with the wording on that there. If Coinbase goes under, all crypto YouTubers will go under. Roulette wheel. Stand corrected. I'm going nowhere, man. I'm going nowhere. I don't not vote for math. Sam, what? Not many cryptos will survive. Moji, that is true, man. Guys, listen, we are going to take off for now. It is after 1 o'clock. The QQQ is getting ready to hit a new intraday low here. God, man, I might have been up 500%, 400% on these options. I'm going to have to look and see what they're trading at right now. Nonetheless, doing very poorly on the day. Hopefully we get a little bit of a rebound going into the afternoon here, and we can come back with some gains in the afternoon live stream. But nonetheless, Clem hiring Paul, I might need some help, man. I might need some help. So we will be back during the afternoon live stream. Guys, thank you very much for hanging out. I'm sorry I had to take a break this afternoon, or this morning, but it was necessary. So we'll do some shout outs, guys, and then we'll be back this afternoon with the other session here. Candy, enjoy your afternoon. Paul Wright, man, see you later. Emma D, enjoy your afternoon. Roulette Wheel, Sam Demand, number 2, Moji, Candy, Paul Wright, Dark Matter, DD24, or yeah, not DD214. I haven't seen DD214. 11 on Mr. Simon. See you later, Cladinho. See you later, Simonino. Outdoor Smile. Remember when I was messing with a barn bridge a couple of weeks ago at $3? It's 14. I do remember that. Outdoor Smile. I do remember that. My gosh, man. Roulette Wheel. See you later. See you later. Pika Power. Enjoy your afternoon. The Ape Father. Stop day trading AMC. Yes, man. I don't know if that's the real Ape Father or not, man. But Ape Father, what's going on, dude? Nobody's day trading AMC. Mo G. Paul Wright Lons. New foe. AMZ Pluto. New foe. Yes. 70-man number 2. See you later. Mo G. Have a safe flight, Pika. Absolutely. Pika. Enjoy the flight. It's going to be okay. I promise your flight's going to be okay. Simonino. Ape Father in the Ape Father in the house, baby. Yes. Dude, if it really is the Ape Father, what's going on, man? I hope you're having a great day today. But nonetheless, guys, we are taking off for now. You guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.